No way.
What?
No.
Oh my gosh.
We're excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to share more of our adventures with you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tune in for more exciting content.
What do we got? What are we gonna do today, Bryce?
I'm gonna take this out and put a new one in.
What is that?
Carburetor?
Carburetor. If you can fix it, you can ride it. Hey! What are y'all doing? Making a mess, spilling water? No. Not yet? Y'all ready? What are we gonna do today?
You don't know.
You don't know. What are we gonna do, Bryn?
Daddy, just
Huh?
the sun.
Today we brought out the pure chaos. We got Brittany Cat. Brittany Cat, say hi. And then we got Emmy. And we got Bryce. Bryster changing out his carburetor. This is a 1979 Honda Trail 70. And as you see, it's dusty. Tags expired. But this is Bryce's ride. It's got home. You gotta get in there before you hit the button.
I need that steer so bad.
No, you don't. How to strip out a bolt? No, Mama.
Huh?
We gotta make sure it's in there. That's it. That's it. That's it. You got it. That's gonna be hard to believe that was just the first kick.
I know. That's crazy. Uh-oh.
You got a leak and you need to put some air in your tire. What do you think? Huh?
Hey, how you don't like it? They go super fast.
Super fast?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
You need a helmet for all that. I want to say it's running pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, me too.
Bryce did a good job? Huh?
Yeah.
Tell him. Good job, Bryce.
Good job, Bryce. Sir.
What if that was 20 feet deep?
Punch it.
You gotta ease into stuff like that, so you know how deep it is. All we need to get you now is a Puerto Rican flag for your mirror. We used to jump this.
Oh yeah, about 50 mile an hour.
Alright, so we got everything. Me and Bryce put all of our, it looks like a mess in here. All of our back furniture from the patio up here. Got the golf cart in, got the Trail 70 in, got the 57 in the garage. I might take this to the golf cart shop. I'm gonna take my brother's boat and stick it out back in the shop. Get it out of the weather. This should hold up pretty good, but just in case. Make sure I don't rip this prop off. That's like the perfect rescue combo. All right, we got our bars up for our doors. Got this one up. Gonna close the door, back the skid steer up to the door. And then on this one, we're gonna close the door and put the Samurai against it. Hopefully, don't scratch my paint all up. BK's boat. Solid unit. What is it? A gator tail. Running. Ready to go. Oh shit.
Wow. Stay right here where the car's at. Oye, Michelle, tienes un tornado ahí que va para tu casa. Sí, tú no salgas para afuera, pero se está formando ahí mismito. Si sales afuera. Ah, ok. Sí, ten cuidado, está cruzando la calle ahora. Solamente para dejarte saber ahí. Ya pasó, ¿verdad? Está pasando. Sí, yo lo veo de acá. Bueno, estoy aquí en la gasolinera. Pero sí, manténganse ahí en la casa.
Pretty wicked. 1 a.m. we just lost power. We're getting the bottom side now. That's really it in our yard. We'll take a stroll through town. We gotta go out to, oh. Got some shit blowing around over there. Pick up these avocados. The banana tree went down to